The EasyDispense drawer should be clean when you refill the detergent or softener, or when you switch to a new detergent or softener. Pull out the drawer and push down on the tab to remove it. Remove the cap on the drawer and corresponding plug on the back. Rinse the dispenser with warm water until the detergent or softener has dissolved. You want to clean and rinse the back plug and the cap as well. If the detergent or softener is hardened, you can simply pull off the top of the drawer and use a bottle brush to remove the buildup. Once finished, gently put the drawer back inside the washer. When changing a detergent type or softener type, you should run an EasyDispense nozzle clean. Fill the drawer reservoir with water and put it back into the washer. Go to Settings, then Additional Settings, to EasyDispense Nozzle Clean, and select the section you wish to clean. You want to periodically run this function for the entire drawer to ensure best performance.